How's it going, Camo fam? Today I got a different type of video for you guys. Today I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to cook crappie, 2 of which I never did before. The 3 ways we're gonna do this today. One way, we're gonna use the flaming hot Cheetos. We're gonna blacken some of it, and then we're gonna do it the old school Kamokid way, and we're gonna fry it just like normal. Got a taste tester here. He's gonna let us know which one is the best. Which one you think's gonna be the best, man? You think it's gonna be the best? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can make something fire then, man. All right, so first things first, as always, you gotta go ahead and wash off your fish. These fish have been soaking in salt water for about a few hours. I caught these fish this morning. All right, now we got all of our pieces of fish right here washed off. So what we're gonna do is get all these dry. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take these Cheetos right here and we're gonna put them in a food processor and get them all blended up into like a dust. Now we got our hot Cheetos all dusted up and stuff. I just gonna pour them in this bowl right here. All right, so for the regular way, what I use is Louisiana, and I use this one and I use the spicy one. And I put these 2 together. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these both in a big old bag. That way it's not much of a mess afterwards. And put them about even, if you can do that, because I can't clearly. All right, now you're gonna get all that mixed up. In the meantime, you should have your grease already getting hot. So I got all my fish in this egg wash here. We're just gonna put it, our bag full of cornmeal. All right, we're gonna take our fish and lay it in our grease. Remember to always lay it away from you. As I said, this isn't gonna take long at all with these being such thin pieces of fish. Hope it's gonna break. So these ones are already ready. Ooh, yes, sir. We're not going to add anything extra as usual. We just want to keep this as basic as possible to keep the judging fair. All right, for now with the Cheeto, we got to do it a little different because I don't think this is going to give off enough flavor to make it even taste halfway right. So we're going to take a little bit of blackened season, just a little bit to put on here. This is going to go right back into our egg wash. And here it goes into our hot Cheeto mix. Yep. All right, so like I said, in the egg wash, and the egg wash straight into the Cheeto dust. All right, from here, gonna put it in that grease. And remember to lay it away from you. All right, so the baby one is already done, and it honestly don't look too bad. What you think, P?
I'd eat it.
It's like something you get from Taco Bell or something. All right, now for your blacking, you kind of have to get your pan kind of pre-ready. And all you're gonna need is some butter and or some non-stick spray, which I'm using both butter and non-stick spray. Ooh, that's a lot of butter. Oops. So all we're gonna use is this blackening seasoning right here. Just some lemon pepper. Oh, and some salt. And I went ahead and added some Old Bay, but don't forget to add some cayenne pepper if you like it spicy.
Yep.
All right, now that our pan is hot, we can go ahead and lay our little crappie fillets in here. Usually when you're blacking, you're supposed to have your pan like extremely hot, but these pieces of fish are so thin, I didn't want to do that and burn them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and flip our pieces of crappie here. Ooh. Hey, so right here we have our normal fried fish, we have our hot Cheeto fried fish, and we have our blackened fish right here. Well, P Nasty, it's up to you, man. Which one do you think you're gonna like the best? Which one? The hot Cheeto one?
Hot Cheeto.
Go ahead and try it, man. Not what you expected, is it?
Nah, that ain't
What it
it.
tastes like, man?
It tastes like really just bland.
Tastes bland?
No flavor.
I gotta try it next. All right, try the regular or the blackened. Whichever you rather try first. All right, you went for the blackened. That's gonna melt in your mouth.
Hot.
It got a little kick to it.
That's pretty solid.
All right.
It's pretty solid.
Now the old fashioned way. Man, which one is it? If you had to choose one of them, which one would you choose?
The way I'm feeling today, I think I'm going with blackened.
Blackened your favorite one?
I'm blackened.
That's your favorite one for real?
That's my favorite one.
And if you had to get rid of one of them, which one would you get rid of?
Cheeto.
Cheeto for sure? All right, let me
Cheeto
try
for
it.
sure.
I'm gonna go ahead and try the Cheeto one because I'm just really excited for this one.
It's just bland. No flavor.
No flavor, no spicy, none of that. My expectations for that was really high.
Very.
So now I'm gonna try the blackened, which I've never did this one before either. Ooh, that was good. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's melting in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. That's solid right there.
That's solid.
And of course the old fashioned way. You can't even go wrong with this one. It's the old fashioned way.
Which one you picking if you had to pick one out of the three?
If I had to pick 1 of 3 for dinner, I'm definitely going with blackened for sure. Hands down, blackened wins. Like there's not even close.
Blackened wins, huh?
Mm-hmm. The hot Cheeto one, I'll probably never do that again. I would have to mess with it a bunch and fix it to get this to taste good. But I know I could make it taste really good. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Kamokid out. Peace.